Hi guys, welcome to Mom in Tech. So today I'll be giving tips on how to use Google Sheets to clean your data, just simple tips, and I'll be doing a video on Excel. So if you're new, please subscribe and like our videos to encourage us to do more. Okay, so let's just dive in. Alright, so the first thing I do when I have my data is to highlight and then check for duplicate. The good thing about Google is that they already have an install data cleaning. So what I do is I just go to remove duplicates, to check for duplicates. That's the first thing I usually do, and in this case no duplicates were found, so that's a good thing. If it was there, they would indicate to you that you have duplicates and the numbers. Okay, so the next thing I also do is to trim the white spaces, and in this case no one was found, and that's a good thing. I think this data is already cleaned and all. So another thing is to just generally just look up to their Google, the suggestion they give, their cleanup suggestions. So I just check randomly, and here there are no suggestions available, but then I just want to review my column stats. So you can also take advantage of all the tools that are available in your Google. Also, don't forget to always explore. I'll also do a video of how I clean up using Excel, but then enjoy this Google cleanup tips. Okay, so I check for spelling errors if there are, usually data's enter or information that I enter, but then they are typos. So I just check for spelling error. In this case, there are none. They have one big data, but then it's really not significant. So you can change or ignore, but in this case, I decided to just change, and then I refresh my cleanup suggestion to get more. The next thing I love to do is to format my columns to check. In this case, it's automatic. I change it to number. So it's really nice for you to just format your cells, your columns. So in the case of salary, I decided to format to currency, because of course your salary comes in currency, and then I reduce the decimal places. It's just good to do that. Then also I just basically just format numbers, format the currency. That's the annual bonus. And you can also actually check for every of your columns to make sure that they are properly formatted. Okay, so don't mind my baby's voice in the background. It's Mom in Tech. What do you expect? All right, so this is all for now. We'll be doing another video on how to clean up on your Excel also. Okay, so that'll be all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed.